In another world, giant iron blocks and heavy machinery were operating with unimaginable power. They are not just ordinary tools, but also symbols of incredible strength and power. These machines demonstrate remarkable technological advancements and the ability to conquer formidable challenges. They represent breakthroughs and ingenuity in design, sparking hope that even the most difficult and complex projects can be accomplished with excellence. In the beautiful scenery of Croatia, where the mountains are sky-high and covered with snow, an incredible image emerges as Komatsu takes on the challenge of clearing frozen snow on the plateau. The powerful Komatsu 250 PT articulated dump truck is proof of modern engineering expertise, confronting the harsh elements of winter head-on. As winter approaches and the snow becomes denser, snow removal becomes important, especially on alpine roads where accessibility is paramount. The Komatsu 250 PT articulated dump truck, with its rugged design and powerful performance, makes it the perfect fit for demanding jobs. The efficiency of the Komatsu 250 PT is enhanced by its revolutionary features, such as a flexible bucket design that maximizes the amount of snow it can handle in each cycle. This speeds up the snow removal process and reduces the need for multiple passes, saving time and resources. Cleaning highland roads in such difficult conditions requires reliability, and Komatsu has performed successfully in that respect. Caterpillar 352F excavator. The Caterpillar 352F excavator is a line of heavy-duty excavators manufactured by Caterpillar, designed with powerful and efficient performance in mind, suitable for large and demanding excavation jobs. With an operating weight of up to tens of tons, the Caterpillar 352F is equipped with a powerful engine that ensures optimal operating performance. Its advanced control system optimizes excavator performance and ensures accuracy in cutting and digging tasks. The Caterpillar 352F excavator can be equipped with a variety of work attachments such as excavators, and drill extensions, providing versatility for a wide range of applications in the construction industry. It is a powerful and reliable tool for undertaking diverse and large-scale projects. The Komatsu WA900 and WA800 Duo represent two special loader lines with outstanding performance. Designed by Komatsu, these excavators have demonstrated outstanding performance and impressive efficiency in a variety of tasks. The Komatsu WA900 wheel loader has a powerful engine that makes it possible to efficiently lift and transport heavy materials. Its remarkable digging and carrying capacity enhances work productivity and saves time. With the WA800, Komatsu has created a high-quality wheel loader with similar capabilities. Its versatility and durability make it suitable for a variety of tasks, from digging soil and rock to transporting bulk materials. Both models exhibit precision and discipline in every movement and meet the needs of large-scale projects such as limestone mining. The CAT Multi-Docker CH74D is a material handling device used at ports to lift, move, and stack cargo. Developed by Caterpillar, a leading name in the machinery industry, the CAT Multi-Docker CH74D is designed to deliver high performance and durability in challenging work environments. This equipment can lift and move a variety of materials at the port, from bales to heavy goods. Its ability to rotate and move flexibly optimizes the efficiency of the transportation and handling of goods at the port yard. Efficiently operating at ports, CAT Multidocker CH-74D plays an important role in loading and unloading cargo, ensuring efficiency and safety during operation. Have you ever heard of the NextSat system used in the wheat harvest? The NextSat system boasts optimal data collection and analysis, providing farmers with greater insight into the harvest. From measuring the quality and quantity of wheat to predicting weather factors, NextSat delivers unsurpassed accuracy and efficiency. The system's advanced technology optimizes the harvesting process, from determining the best time to harvest to adjusting machine parameters for peak performance. When the NextSat system was working during the wheat harvest, I observed a significant improvement in machine efficiency and data logging accuracy. Through automation and integration of information from a variety of sources, harvest management becomes simpler and helps maximize profits from each harvest season. The Terex RH170 front shovel mining digger is a remarkable machine in the mining industry. It made a strong impression by efficiently loading large material transport trucks. With its immense size and power, this machine demonstrates the incredible ability and sophistication of mining technology. The Terex RH170 is equipped with a powerful front excavator attachment, allowing it to quickly and efficiently unload cargo trucks of considerable tonnage. Its power and ability to handle large loads prove its leading position among modern mining equipment. The Terex RH170 front shovel mining digger is undeniably an icon in the field of mining, illustrating the advancement of technology and human prowess in the extraction of natural resources. The power, performance, and reliability of this excavator has played a vital role in improving productivity and efficiency in the mining industry. In the photo Fiery Summer Days, reminiscent of the scorching summer days in Michigan, an important process is underway: the installation of a sewer system. Notable in the image is the presence of a powerful and reliable agricultural tractor, the Challenger MT945C, which is actively participating in this process. The Challenger MT945C, with its impressive power and performance, is an essential partner in plumbing installations. With the help of the Challenger MT945C, plumbing setup becomes more manageable, even in the harsh conditions of a sweltering Michigan summer. The ability to adapt to a variety of terrains and efficient operation make this tractor an effective assistant in the installation of drainage systems, ensuring stability and efficiency for the project. If you are a machine lover, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to discover amazing machines with us. The crawler digger, also known as the bucket digger, is a majestic and powerful piece of equipment in the mining industry. With a unique design, this excavator shows its power through the large suction bucket located at the front. Wheel excavators use a series of buckets or independent buckets precisely mounted to a wheel. As the wheels rotate, these buckets dig and hold material from the ground, in this case for coal mining. This powerful effect demonstrates the machine's ability and power in large-scale excavation. Bucket excavators are commonly used in large coal or mineral mining projects. Its difference from other excavators lies in its ability to dig quickly and efficiently thanks to the combined operation of multiple buckets. This allows it to process large volumes of material in a short time. The New Holland T 7270 tractor is a powerful machine equipped with a powerful engine capable of flexibly traversing diverse terrain. When combined with the TEB spreader, spreading the compost becomes quick and efficient. The TEB spreader, a specialized tool for spreading organic fertilizers, provides the precision and uniformity required for finely tuned fertilizer application across the crop. This contributes to the supply of important nutrients to the soil, thereby nurturing the optimal environment for plant growth. Agricultural and soil improvement professionals often mix scattered organic fertilizer with New Holland T7, 270 plus TEB. The integration of top tractors and specialized spreaders optimizes organic fertilizer delivery, improves soil quality, and enhances crop yield potential. The John Deere 9800i/12 rows lawnmower is a modern icon in agriculture, representing a breakthrough in corn harvesting and fodder processing. With the ability to simultaneously cut and mill corn on 12 rows, this machine produces incredible efficiency and productivity. This equipment optimizes the harvesting process and ensures high-quality feed. During the cutting process, the machine ensures accurate and fast felling of corn. The milling process then turns the corn into an easily digestible and nutrient-rich mixture that meets the nutritional needs of livestock. The ability to cut multiple rows simultaneously reduces the time required, thereby increasing production productivity. Thanks to the synergy of advanced technology and optimal operability, this machine meets all requirements for processing corn into high-quality animal feed. The Caterpillar 6015B excavator is an impressive piece of equipment that loads loads onto trucks in just 2 travel cycles. This excavator is a leap forward in construction equipment technology, especially in optimizing cargo loading and increasing work efficiency. With its considerable weight and impressive strength, the Caterpillar 6015B can load goods on trucks quickly and efficiently. Combined with an advanced operating system, this excavator enables safe and precise cargo loading, reducing the time required for each loading operation. Loading goods in just 2 travel cycles is remarkable, helping to optimize time and increase productivity. This feature proves highly valuable in construction environments that require high efficiency and quick completion times. The image of a skilled worker controlling a mini excavator at the warehouse is impressive, especially when cleaning a ship full of grain. The operator of the mini excavator shows even more precision and professionalism. In a warehouse that holds valuable goods such as wheat, the operator's ability to remove debris and ensure cleanliness is essential to maintain the quality of the goods being stored. To reach the hold, the mini excavator needs the assistance of a dockside crane to lower and lift the excavator into the grain-filled compartment for cleaning. Let's start with the Komatsu PC 3000 excavator, a monument in the mining industry. which has proven remarkably impressive when operating in open-pit coal mines. With its powerful engine and outstanding lifting capacity, the Komatsu PC 3000 excavator easily tackles any challenge posed by open-pit coal mines. Its advanced control system optimizes operating performance and ensures stability during working. The Komatsu PC 3000 excavator is designed for continuous operation in large coal mines and harsh environments. Equipped with advanced technologies such as efficient cooling, automatic lubrication, and damping systems, the PC 3000 delivers reliability and high performance in every task. The Komatsu PC 3000 excavator isn't just a giant machine. It symbolizes the synergy between advanced technology and power, improving productivity and efficiency in the resource extraction and processing industry. The impressive image of the Caterpillar 992G wheel loader is truly a phenomenon in the heavy equipment world. The renowned Caterpillar 992G, known for its powerful capabilities and design, is a valuable asset in bulk material handling, especially in the mining industry. With its giant wheels, the Caterpillar 992G is ready to take on any challenge posed by the mining and construction sectors. Powered by a powerful and durable motor and an advanced hydraulic system, the Caterpillar 992G smoothly loads and moves large-scale materials. Its power is not only the load, the safety and convenience of the operator is also remarkable. The smart and ergonomic cabin provides a comfortable working environment, allowing operators to fully focus on their tasks without worrying about fatigue or stress. Powered by power and equipped with large capacity buckets up to 15 cubic yards, the Caterpillar 992G is dedicated to tasks that require priority and quick execution. The next machine I want to recommend is the Komatsu D375A, a bulldozer with tremendous power in modern bulldozers. With outstanding motor power, the Komatsu D375A can dig and lift the earth as easily as if a powerful finger were gently lifting the earth. Astonishing is its ability when equipped with a tiller attachment. Once again, it demonstrated its strength by crossing the difficult land with decisiveness and ease. The cabin of the D375A is not only the operator's control center, but also an intelligent command center equipped with modern equipment. Operators can easily control and manage each operation while maintaining a high level of focus and ability to handle challenging environments. Safety is paramount, protecting both the operator and the surroundings. This reflects Komatsu's commitment to creating a powerful product while keeping everyone safe. The Liebherr LH18M Industry Litronic Mobile Material Handler is a versatile and advanced material handling and conveying equipment. Developed by the renowned Liebherr company, it offers high efficiency and reliability for material handling tasks. The LH18M Industry Litronic machine has many outstanding features. Litronic technology provides intelligent control and optimized productivity. The flexible mobility of Liebherr LH18M Industry. Litronic is also a strong point. With a solid chassis, quality wheels help the car move quickly on many terrains, working in diverse environments. The Liebherr 984 excavator is a special product of the Liebherr Group, bringing powerful performance and versatility to the construction and mining industries. With unique specifications and features, this excavator has demonstrated impressive performance in various applications. Equipped with a powerful engine, the Liebherr 984 excavator ensures efficient digging, loading and unloading operations. Rugged levers and levers designed to optimize workflow and improve productivity. The flexible option of a rail or wheel system allows the excavator to move smoothly over different terrains. The Liebherr 984 excavator also features an advanced control system including automation and sensing technologies to optimize operating accuracy and efficiency. Intelligent safety systems and features such as alarms and pressure control ensure operator safety. If you are a curious enthusiast of giant steel machines from out of this world, give us a like and subscribe to our channel to begin our journey to discover inspiring heavy equipment with infinite size and power. Ever heard of the Caterpillar 6040 excavator? The Caterpillar 6040 excavator is a large-scale machine designed to service large projects around the world. The Caterpillar 6040 excavator weighs 250 tons and is impressively sized, making it suitable for projects that require heavy mining workloads. Working height, length, and width are designed to ensure stability and performance during operation. Moreover, it should be designed to handle deep digging jobs, improving work productivity. Various barrel types are available to accommodate diverse applications. The Caterpillar 6040 excavator features an advanced control system, including sensors and automation technology, to optimize performance and accuracy during operation. With the ability to meet a variety of applications, this excavator is an important tool in the construction and mining industries. This process is recorded when the Volvo EWR 150E excavator is in operation with the Hunklinger S400 rock jig, which clamps and transports rocks precisely and powerfully. These stones are arranged on both sides of the road to create a landscape and beauty for the developing new countryside. Rullo, according to Sovesio Vigolo FR 220 plus Fent 211, is a set of machines used in agricultural operations. In this process, the Fent 211 Vario is combined with a crimping roller to remove inefficient vines. Crushed vines can include a variety of organic sources, including pruned leaves and twigs, grape residue, and other organic materials such as straw and manure. Onion harvesting is one of the most important steps in agriculture, and the use of machines like the John Deere 6420S improves efficiency and productivity in the harvesting process. John Deere 6420S is a powerful and well-performing tractor. Its use for onion harvesting in mid-Canterbury, New Zealand emphasizes the application of technology in agriculture, which contributes to increased yield and product quality. Loon Bedreif Lokers, a company in Zevenbergen, uses a Ferrari Futura Twin, an automatic 12-row grower to grow celery. This cultivator is mounted on the Agrifac ZA215 sugar beet harvester and is equipped with a 6-meter wide propeller. This allows loon bedrife locers to conduct celeriac planting quickly and efficiently. All in all, the Ferrari Futura Twin is a modern automatic machine that has enhanced its performance. This grass harvest is made possible by the powerful Fendt 930 Vario tractor equipped with the new Kuhn Triples cutter, a machine specifically designed to quickly and accurately cut large strips of grass. With a cutting width of up to 13 meters, it increases productivity and reduces lawn mowing time compared to conventional lawn mowers. The combination of Fendt 930 Vario and new Kuhn Triples is a testament to the efficiency of farmers. The vineyard spraying process includes Elegaz's Fendt 211 and Friuli Drift Recovery Tractor, a machine specifically designed to spray pesticides in vineyards. Combining advanced technology and professional techniques in the application of treatments allows farmers to ensure accurate and reliable crop protection. This enhances crop growth, improves yields, and maintains the quality of grape production in the viticulture industry. The Same Laser 150 tractor is a tractor manufactured by Same and equipped with a crusher, trituradora, to perform agricultural work involving handling, cutting, and crushing of raw materials, such as grass, vegetation, or organic materials. With their powerful performance, operators use these two machines to repair and maintain a section of road. The FAE PT300 Crawler Crusher is a specialized machine in reclamation and forest fire prevention. FAE PT300 is equipped with a tracking system. It is a powerful machine with high engine power and impressive performance, allowing to handle soil and cut grass, forest vegetation, or natural materials, quickly and efficiently. Harvesting lily bulbs requires a high level of expertise due to the nature of the bulbs. Fendt 712 is a powerful tractor used to pull MH Ballenroyer in the field and engage in harvesting. Similarly, the Fendt 820 is another powerful Fendt tractor used for the harvesting of common harvested lily bulbs. Lily Ballenroyen, harvesting lily bulbs, is an essential activity of the agricultural industry and is especially important for the harvesting of lilies. After being harvested, lily bulbs will be taken to the processing plant and passed through a washing system to remove dirt and other impurities from the surface of the tubers. This process helps to clean the bulb before proceeding to the next step. After being cleaned, lily bulbs will be sorted and classified by size and quality to ensure standard and high-quality bulbs for replanting or further processing. If you like these agricultural machines, give us a like and subscribe to the channel to follow more interesting moments. The Eicher G400 Unisuper is a self-propelled beet harvester designed to harvest sugar beets efficiently and quickly. Its self-driving feature optimizes the harvesting process and reduces reliance on manual labor. In addition, Eicher G400 Unisuper is also equipped with advanced safety features, including anti-skid and brake control systems to ensure the safety of the operator and the working environment. After harvesting, the process of transporting sugar beets to the container truck needs the support of the Doosan DX 170W excavator. The Doosan DX 170W is a powerful working excavator equipped with a striking bucket set that efficiently collects sugar beets onto the truck. With the ability to be equipped, the machine can efficiently load several tons of sugar beets onto trucks for transport to the processing plant. This is a process that uses straw to cover potato seeds in the southern United States. Do you know the purpose of using straw to cover potatoes? Please comment and let me know in the comments section. We have seen modern agricultural machines, and now let us follow these workers as they carry out the logging operations. This process requires high precision and professionalism to ensure safety. After harvesting, the wood is taken to the workshop to be processed and sawn into boards, making it easier to carve and make furniture. Crushers serve recycling needs and can crush anything. Recycling is essential to reduce costs for related activities and minimize environmental pollution from waste materials. Do you find it interesting to use a crusher like this? Pellenc Diamant 9056 and Fendt 211 are two high-end agricultural machines used to harvest grapes. Pellenc Diamant 9056 is an advanced and precise harvester designed for highly efficient and energy-efficient agricultural harvesting. Equipped with advanced technology, it allows for efficient and fast grape harvesting. Observing the most important heavy machines operating in challenging environments has given us insight into the incredible human capabilities and remarkable innovations. These powerful and inspirational images show us that any goal can be achieved if we dare to face difficulties and keep trying. If you find it interesting and want to keep up to date with the latest news on heavy machinery, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel. We promise to bring you more engaging and diverse content to witness together the constantly evolving industry and these amazing machines.